Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. Again, this is, I would say, a mod, but like an interior mod. It's as you BMW owners already know, when you buy a BMW 1 Series, you have should I say, the CD player is a load of crap. It comes with a standard one, which is quite annoying. Now it only takes CD, which I do have a CD in there, but it's just listening to the same song over and over and over again, and it's just it's the same song over and over again. Yeah, I've had enough of CD, so I thought let's get my JVC unit inside for the time being. Now I wanted to get like a touchscreen GPS system. As you can see, the old radio is this bit here. Now it's CD and pretty much that. Now you guys are wondering, how are you going to fit head units here? Easy. Now I went online and I had a look on the forums and I found this. This is a facial which goes like this, goes like that, so it gives you obviously the same size as the radio is now, but I'll take out the packet for you. It gives you same size as the radio, but brings it down to a normal head unit, which I thinking, yeah, why not? Go ahead. Now I think this mod is quite a good one because it's annoying. I don't want to buy CDs. I buy the music online from my iTunes and just whack it on here, because obviously it's got auxiliary and USB and stuff like that. But it's just buying the CDs. I know people still use CDs, but I don't really particularly like it. And the CD is just some CDs, like I bought the Now 99 or something like that, but so it's got a few good songs, but the rest is a load of rubbish. So yeah, let's show you how to do this. So it's pretty much like a how to install video. I'll show you how to do it. Yeah, so let's go ahead. So time to remove it. Now before you remove it, you have to take off the side trims, and so you can get to the clips at the back. There's like a little screw at the back here, so I can show you. Now, first thing you do is you get one of these T20 screw bit there, and all you need to do is unscrew this side back, let you see that there. Trim comes off completely. This is a good time, so if you want to clean it, you can clean it now. But yeah, so now all you need to do now is take the plastic, obviously the air conditioning and your heater, and you see there will be screws here, which they are just normal Phillips screws. I'll show you in depth there. As you can see, there is little Phillips screws there and on the side here. So once you've done that, now it's always good to have one of these packs of tools. You never know what you're going to need. Each time you need a normal Phillips one. Pull it out, and that is you done. Now there's a little clip at the back where all your wiring is. Just pull that out and pull this bit out. Now, the antenna, these are the normal ones, so you have this. I will keep this anyway, just because if I ever sell it, I'll take out my head unit. But yeah, now you guys are wondering how are you going to fit this power wiring into the new radio. Now, when you buy the front face of the radio, you get a little kit with wires. In those wires has a big block which goes from in here, which goes straight across there. Missing something. What's that one? Let's see. Put it in, push it in like that, and clip. That's already connected. Now, and then you have the two normal JVC or any aftermarket radio will fit in here. Now, the only thing you probably won't have is your normal radio, because the normal radio on these are these little clips here. So it's a lot of work because there's a lot of wiring in the back, so you have to like move things around just so it can fit. Now that is there, all done. Yeah, now it's time to fit the bolts back in. Yeah, so it's quite a nightmare to change because the wiring, the big bulk fitments at the back, I had to like hide it completely in under the actual trim bit so that the wires can fit for everything else. Now it looks quite cool. I like it. It is. I think it's something quite cool, quite simple. It's another mod. So you can listen to your own music now. Once you guys go back now, it looks what it looks like that. Now I should have the case for this. Not sure where it's gone, but yeah, once you've done that, put the trim back in. So all you have to do, there is little guides to it. There's like little holes inside. Just put it in that hole and put it in that one, and then push forwards like that, and that should fit perfectly. So then all you do now is and that's you done. Perfect. All done. And obviously just what I need to do now is just put the trim piece, and that is complete. Right guys, so we've done the radio. Now I'm going to be fitting this small one right here. At the moment we have quite a big one. I'll show you what the original one comes with. It's quite big, bulky. So I thought I would change that. So what we do is just unscrew the bottom and then pretty much just chuck that in there. Boom, done. Now that's what it looks like now. Perfect. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now it's not really a mod, but it kind of is for the aerial. It is a mod, but the radio, perfect. Looks quite good. Obviously, I can play my music now through auxiliary and everything like that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the like button and the little bell button on top. Peace. That is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's not something quick, but it's not something like long as well. It's quite a short video. But yeah, there is more mods to come. Like I said in my previous video, I'm not sure. I hope you guys enjoyed the previous video as well. Me changing the gas struts for the bonnet and the boots. That was quite quick. Yeah, I only need some TLC. Which every car needs some TLC. So, but yeah, this is what was really bugging me, because I was fed up of listening to the radio all the time. And there wasn't any good songs on it. It's just, turn off. That's pretty much it. So yeah, I thought I'd change it and also show you guys as well about that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss a video of mine. There will be better videos coming, trust me. Now, I know the quality isn't the best. I know filming isn't the best. And I apologise for that, I'm really sorry. I'm trying my best. I'm just doing what I love. And that's modifying cars and doing things to it, which is pretty much what I like doing. But yeah.
Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.